Dr. Kemi for Kemi Talks Media. It's Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. Let's talk about the 1 billion naira defamation suit that Iyabo filed against Lizzy Anjorin. I don't know the update of the one she filed against VDM, but I think they went into mediation and there's no official announcement that she's withdrawn that. VDM just said that they met secretly somewhere. Well, let's go back to Lizzy Anjorin. The case was thrown out of court. All right. Iyabo and Lizzy's fight has been going on for a long time. Iyabo fights everybody. It's a known. Sometimes people don't check themselves before they wreck themselves. And this was a Lagos High Court in Osborne Road, Ikoyi, which should be one of those highbrow areas. That judge dismissed the lawsuit against Lizzy. I don't think Lizzy lives in Nigeria anymore. Justice Olabisi Akinlade, a woman judge, a female judge who presided over the matter, held that the suit was incompetent due to procedural defects. What does that mean? Procedural defects and a fundamental flaw in the originating processes. In other words, the suit probably wasn't filed properly and it was frivolous. I mean, all these big names in law. Anyway, that judge ordered Iyabo's lawyer to pay Lizzy's lawyer $500,000 naira for court costs. Imagine, Iyabo Ojo's lawyer is Bimpe Ajegbomogun, Dr. Bimpe Ajegbomogun, and she has to pay 500,000 to Barrister Demola Olabi, who's Lizzy's lawyer. And, Iyabo sought the 1 billion in damages for alleged defamation. However, Lizzy's lawyer filed a preliminary objection, arguing that the suit failed to comply with the mandatory pre-action protocols. In other words, investigations were not done enough before you brought it in front of the judge, and that's why the judge threw it out. There were so many key objections. There are very many legal whatever. But so now the judge is now saying, I'm throwing this case out. It's not even worth my time. And anyone that spent money on this case must pay. So this is another loss for Iyabo, basically. I'm sure the $500,000 naira has to come from Iyabo's pocket to the lawyer and then to Lizzy's lawyer. And that's how it ends.